Hi, I'm RWoodruff here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon at BISH'S RV. Today we're talking about a brand new, yes, a brand new 2022 27N by Winnebago. Super hot floor plan. So if you like this video, like and subscribe, and let's talk about this one today. Okay, like I said, it's a brand new 22, so that means it's got the V8, the 7.3. This is a great engine. It replaces the 6.8 liter V10. More horsepower, more torque, more go uphill fast. Full body paint, push button awning. Great super slide on this side. It's about 3/4 of the length of the coach. We've got our big storage underneath. It's the little things that I like to point out, like this pet tether here. Okay, you know, I'm getting myself a little boxer later this month, and I'm out here camping. Gonna have him tied up to that right there. Great storage in back. Looks like it still has the shipping pad that came on the front of the coach. We're gonna keep that. You get to this storage in the back, also here. Super easy to get into it. You can get to it from 3 sides. We've got the Onan generator. Pretty simple on this side. You got your generator, you've got your plumbing service center, all the stuff that you're really not getting into that often. On the passenger side, that's where you're going to be getting into your storage and all the stuff that you're going to have for your camping trip. Let's go inside, take a quick look. Oh, I forgot to tell you, outside TV. Love that. Get a fire going, get some s'mores going, get the movie going there for the children, the grandchildren. It's a memory they'll never forget. And inside, this is where all the really cool stuff happens. We've got a drop-down front bunk, okay? This is about a full-size bed, okay? So it's not a little twin, it's a good size. We've got our new 2022 Ford chassis up here. Okay, this is an automatic manual transmission, so you can use that to help slow you down coming off the hills instead of riding the brake. Center table here for snacks while you're running down the road, or a separate eating station. We've got our booth here. Let's see. Ooh, storage underneath. This also makes a great prep station for cooking, even though we have a great kitchen in here. Propane and electric cooking. Convection microwave. You see those air fryers all the time, right? Get an air fryer, get an air fryer. I bought one. My wife pointed out we had a convection microwave, which is a big air fryer. Just a regular air fryer. Works great. Like I said, lots of space in here in the kitchen for cooking, prepping. Big TV. We've got our command center, our solar power, our slide controls. This does have 3 slide outs. Okay, the passenger side, the booth dinette, and then in the bedroom, which I'll show you here in a minute, I teased you, we've got the closet that goes out. Okay, nice corner shower. We've got the porcelain toilet. It's not one of the plastic ones. Nice sink in the corner. It's a small bathroom, but they've done a really great job of using the space in here to get everything in there and make it comfortable with a door that actually closes. Okay, we've got the big fridge. Okay, this is a Norcold RV refrigerator. Love that. Okay, lots of storage through here. Back here in the bedroom, we actually have a queen walk-around bed with the closet that slides out. When that closet is in, you lose the walk-around space on that side of the bed, or the driver's side of the bed, but you can still utilize this bedroom while you're running down the road. Again, I'm RWoodruff here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon with BISH'S RV, looking at a 22 27N by Winnebago. If you like this, like and subscribe. Again, I'm Roger. Have a great day.